Hello guys, HeliPilotGh. This is part 9 of our series on Aeromedical. We talked about the eye in the previous video. Today we talk about the illusions, that's visual illusions related to our eye, obviously. The first we talk about is the relative motion. And this is when you think you are moving but you are not moving. Or when you are moving but you think you are at one place. This normally happens at night when you are in a hover. We talk about night myopia, and this happens when your eye, like we mentioned, the rods are for the night. At night, when you are flying a dark space, your eye cannot look beyond your windscreen because there's nothing to look at. It's a dark space. And we talk about, again, the confusion with ground lights. When you see some stars in the sky, you think it's ground lights. That can give you a false illusion of the ground. And there's also what we call the false horizon. Normally, this has to do with maybe mountainous areas. So when I say the horizon, I mean where the ground meets the sky. If you want to know what a horizon looks like, just go to the beach. Look at where the sea touches the sky. So the sea is part of the ground and the sky. That is the horizon. We have the same in the aircraft, like an artificial one. So when you we fly with reference to that to know whether we are close to the ground or up above. So if you fly at night and you see maybe mountains, you may think that's a horizon, but actually that is not a horizon. Then we have structural illusions, and that will be as a result of distorted vision due to precipitation like rain, snow, hail, whatever it is. We have size distance illusion. Normally, you misjudge the size of the runway if you are not regular there. And then we have the runway slope illusion. For example, if you are used to a runway that slopes up, next time you go and land at a runway that slopes down, it can affect your flying. Also, we have what we call autokinesis. So in a dark area, when you look at one spot of light or a parcel of light, it appears to move because your eyes are focused on that spot of light. So it's called autokinesis. You think that the light is moving, but it's not. Then we have what we call flicker vertigo. So with flicker vertigo, you know the strobe lights on the aircraft, the strobe light sort of seems to flicker, or you can have seizures because the blades of the helicopter will be moving around it. So if you look at it for a long time, you can start to feel dizzy or start getting seizures if you are prone to that. The reason why you must know all these things is that when you know these things, you anticipate them in flight and help you prevent these from happening. That is the reason why we study the visual illusions.